Tuesday triple header here at the Cunetto Astrodome in Pasay City. Abby Balanya joined by Wild Wild West, Wesley Gonzalez, and Miss Mika Abisamis. These teams still without a basket. Renz Palma, could this end the drought? Yes, sir. First points on the board, courtesy of Renz Palma.
Renz to start slow, as Renz Palma's first shot was blocked, but you know, because of his aggressiveness, got Negros.
Elorde out to Jervy Cruz, stops, pops, gets the jumper to go. He definitely has increased his range beyond that three-point line. For this season, Acuna still could not hit from the outside. Kyle Tolentino, early substitution here for Coach Elvis Tolentino, and Kyle will be able to knock down that three-point.
Kyle Tolentino has earned his spot. And making another three-pointer, napatigil ako dun sa aking punto. Pero just to...
Rodriguez, time to go down low to Fajarito, gets it inside, and that's an easy score para kay Christian Fajarito.
Good big.
Who got an early sub in because of Renz Palma's injury earlier. Nagtimo na dito para sa Negros. That's Jem Cruz getting a basket for the Muscovados. Here come the Muscovados. Comia all the way. That's defense to offense for Negros.
Oh.
Our first quarter score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball.
In this league, and not only in this league, in this sport.
Oh, I hope so. Sana magdilang ang Angel ka nga. As Jeff Comia gets the basket and won the hoop and the harm.
Guy.
Oh, 93.3% so far from the line this season para kay Jeff Comia. Comia, Brix Ramos, and Mark Atabay. Oh, foul Acuna between the eyes. The defense tripped all over him. Cruz, Jem wanted a foul. Comia ends up with it, and Comia scores on the floater.
Very scrappy itong Negros offense in that situation, but they were still able to get a two-pointer from that.
Oh, Kyle Tolentino knocking it down from the left corner. That's going to count, but it seems there's a foul away from play. Comfort zone. He gives it back out. Cani rejects the screen. Cani all the way to the cup.
Cani just reading that ball screen.
Tumapic has been bruising his way past the defense here in the second quarter. Apreku, well-timed cut on the basket.
Yeah, you really have to watch your man.
Cani still with the basketball. 2 on the shot clock. Comia had to take it, and he makes it. Twicky jumper. And he's made a lot of that during the course of his career. Renz Palma, the dipsy too.
Renz Palma, as a forward, he can put the...
City. Capobres goes behind the back, working against the defense of Marvin Jonicio. Eventually, Hamito helped, but to no avail.
He's an offensive threat. And then, offensively, if I score, then okay. If not, okay lang din. But, you have to pick your spots. You have to know your role. And as, these teams, malalakas, you have to pick your spots. You have to know your role.
Oh, block right there was Christian Fajarito, but he recovers it, scores inside.
So far in this league.
Slow start once again, just like their game against Bulacan. Kaunan floats it up and in. Negros really making the move.
That I see, younger players, playing. Natutuwa ka on how they improve their game.
Enzo Hoson is one guy who has blossomed into a star here in the MPBL, and that's why he trusts Coach Elvis Tolentino to be able to maintain that star status para sa kanya. James Una scoring 37-30. Our halftime score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first inside, they go to the left. Tolentino pulls up for 3 off the bounce. That's good para kay Kyle Tolentino.
Kyle Tolentino meron ng 4 na three-pointer. Sinong kaharap niya, gusto niyang atakihin, as you see the cutting Comia and a good pass by Renz Palma.
So it's not... Elorde to Kyle. Hand in the face, no problem para kay Kyle Tolentino.
Grabe yung
See the three-point field goal story so far. 8 out of 20 for South Cotabato. Only 1 out of 7 for Negros. Kyle Tolentino, this time inside the paint, gets his first two-pointer.
17 points across his name with 3 rebounds.
That just goes to show how highly skilled the players are nowadays. Kyle Tolentino playing a lot of the wing point right after that traveling call. He felt like it was a clean move by Pio Longa, but John Wilson gives the lead back to South Cotabato with that short on the 3. Elorde leaves it for Wilson. Back-to-back trays for John Wilson. Block. A little bit too tight there, down low. Hoss on top of the circle. 3 is money.
Good decision by Larry Rodriguez, just waiting patiently.
A little bit of a zone still so far here for South Cotabato. They go to the corner. Longa, he can hit that and he makes it.
And that's how you make the zone shot, kasi yun ang binibigay ng depensa sa kanila.
Down by 2 itong Negros. That's only the second three-point shot of the game para dito sa Negros, while John Wilson continuously hit.
Very deceiving. He's not that most athletic guy you see in the court. Pero iba yung plus na nabibigay ni Larry Rodriguez, nahahatak din yun.
Anteporda goes to the left side. Comia, floater on the baseline. That's 2 more points para kay Jeff Comia.
Very comfortable.
Rodriguez across to Fajarito. 1 fake goes up and 2 points against Jem Cruz para kay Christian Fajarito.
Ganda ng pasa.
End of third quarter score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first from the outside. He's had moments where he was open, not taking the shot. Jem Cruz, though, will not be shy. That's the 6th point of the game. Jem Cruz having trouble with the rock. Palma, catch, set, fire, splash.
Good recognition by Jem Cruz. Libre, Renz Palma.
Tolentino leans in a little bit too strong. Tolentino gets it back. Acuna, step to the right 3. Sorry, step to the left. They find Chris Dumapig underneath.
Yun yung veteran move na
Fajarito over everybody inside, gets the basket plus the foul.
Fajarito not giving up on that play, got that offensive rebound off that Nico Elorde miss.
Just towering tall against James Una right there. Nobody.
Still trying to perfect each time, especially in this third quarter. Today, though, some creepy.
I mean, some people might, find it weird.
Well, whatever works for you, Wes. And that works para kay Reds Palma. 20 puntos na sa laro na to. Cuts the lead to 3. Tolentino answers. What a cold-blooded shot by Kyle Tolentino. Every time Negros.
That's the good thing about Coach.
This guy isn't short of confidence. Never at all. John Wilson knocking it from behind the arc. Comia. Negros needs a basket here. Cani knocks it down for them.
Biglang luma.
Cani, can he go back to back? Yes, sir. Rattles that 3 down.
Big 3-pointers for Hubert Cani.
He comes through and helps. Comia is free for those 2 points.
Good defense.
Negros, quick spin to the baseline. Fajarito has it tapped from behind. Dionisio, the fake and the score.
Good balance. Good.
Oson and Longa, familiar foes in the UAAP. Fajarito to bail them out. What a big shot para kay Christian Fajarito.
Big.
Clock winding down here for Negros. Atabay inside, redeeming himself for that last miss.
Good find by
Here for Elorde. Nico wants another one. This time it's from Fajarito. Elorde from 18 feet. Nico Elorde drains another clutch shot for South Cotabato. Fajarito, Comia has 20 in this game. Kaunan from the elbow. Big shot for Rick Kaunan.
we were seeing.
Cotabato does in this possession. Elorde goes to the left side. Tolentino, he's been big tonight and he continues to do so. What another big tray from the outside. Only 6 out of 22 Here comes Hubert Cani. Cani will take it. The step back off the blast. Hubert Cani. There you see his girlfriend, Kishana de Maunahan. So sets the screen. Tolentino is on the left side. Elorde goes to Pajarito. He fires for three, and he backs it off too. What is happening? Them as well. Christian Pajarito, John Wilson coming alive in the second half. Nico Elorde also had his moments, especially dishing out 9 assists. But our Buenas player of the game, Wesley, it had to be Kyle Tolentino.
Of course, Kyle Tolentino, cold-blooded, especially on that last three-pointer against Renz Palma. I thought it was really a bad shot. He was well defended, pero you see his composure, knock that shot in, and you know, the trust just keeps.
The final score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The